often do we pick up a book written by a recent writer and finish it? And if we do finish it, remember the name of the author for long. The reason why we remember an Amish Tripathi or an Anita Desai or a Chinua Achebe or even Elizabeth Gilbert is because they leave an imprint in our mind's eye with their strong narrative that has become synonymous to their name. Writing a book has become a fanciful task for many. While internet novels have become quite popular, online publishing channels such as Amazon Kindle, Smashwords, Apple iBooks, etc. have made publishing more cost effective and easier. Unfortunately, this is becoming more a story about quantity over quality. The Spark Writers Retreat is a sincere effort by Spark Igniting Minds to mentor aspiring and serious authors through a 6-month program in the finest nuances of writing a book. Bangalore, India. During the retreat, each of the 40 participants will be trained in the finest nuances of novel writing by eminent authors and subject matter experts. We begin the program at the grassroots by helping you understand the finest way of structuring your story, write effective and impactful dialogues that are tailored to every character in your book, and they become a part of their identity. The retreat will give you the skills to imagine and describe each of your characters with their postures, dressing, looks, and attitude, and even develop your own unique writing style that will become your signature. Most importantly, you will also learn to tackle the most important barrier to writing, which is beating the writer's block. You will also be introduced to all aspects of publication and the most effective ways to approach a publisher with your work of art. Every workshop at the Spark Writers Retreat will be an interactive session filled with activities and exercises to help you hone your skills and raise your bar of writing. You will also have the unique opportunity to interact with our guest authors in an exclusive session and learn from their personal experiences from these masters of the art. In retreat, you will have workshops and mentorship programs once every fortnight to help you complete your book. But this is not it. You will also be provided with mentors that you can connect with anytime through the entire 6-month period, apart from the regular workshops. The cherry on the icing is that the 3 best structured storylines submitted at the end of the retreat will be awarded with multiple free packages from Spark, including getting your ISBN numbers, publication, and even marketing support. If you are an aspiring writer and are determined to showcase your literary art to the world in a powerful and effective manner, then the Spark Writers Retreat is the perfect opportunity for you. This is the place where you are not just left with skills or the theoretical aspect of writing a book, but are provided 360-degree support to make you a published author. Come join us at the retreat. Register your application today and avail various benefits, including free access to pre-retreat sessions, referral bonuses, and an EMI-based payment option.